me go back to Ivory Coast today. Huh? That's why me sell cheap. Me want to go back to my country.
But I don't have the cash now, eh? Here in Lagos, you will find it difficult to see anyone that can pay you cash. Here in Lagos, we do supply and collect money later.
No, ce n'est pas, mon ami. You want to play me scam, eh? No, because me not Nigeria. No. Ce n'est pas.
What kind of English is this man? Is this man speaking?
No, he doesn't understand English very well. He's not a Nigerian.
Mon ami, me speak French very well. C'est quoi? Me not Nigeria, so my English not too good well.
You don't even attempt well. You don't even speak it at all. And stop speaking before English people put you in prison.
C'est quoi?
Yes, c'est quoi?
Don't take the goods, please. Don't take the goods.
No, what is the problem? What is the problem?
The major problem is the goods. He has a very good good, that he's selling.
It's not even something I can put my mind. I'm ordinary Okrika seller. I'm not interested in goods, import and export.
Okrika?
Yes.
Janya Kwiboni.
I am man. You want you?
I find a kuno. What can I put the Okrika? Sidden Oboda, Oboda, Owonya Bena, Owonya French, Ivory Coast. Obutere Bokriki, Lina Bo. No, Nana. Omo Akobutere, what am I going to do? Adam Shaw.
Makanda ile kwanda kwanda wayo opportunity agba
Mban, I have seen the bells. It's my customer.
I've seen the goods.
Mon ami, what do you people talking me not understanding? You come prampa.
No.
Frenchman. See, I'm not interested in the Okrika.
I've seen the goods on Alakeja. What Eliana Alakeja? Frenchman, my brother interested. He wanted to go to see it before I pay money.
No problem, cash, huh? Interesting?
Yes. I have the money first to pay you. I'm going to do. It's not that he said it that I'm getting. Let me see the Okrika.
Oui. He pay me cash. Should we?
See, okay, no problem. If it's good, Okrika is good, I will pay you. I'm going to Lome. Actually, see, I'm going to Lome to buy Okrika. So your money is not a problem. I'm going to Lome. So if you have Okrika, I buy it now.
Okay. Come, taxi. Come and take us to Alakeja. Okay, sir. But your money now 500 naira.
500 is not even the problem. 500 is not the problem. I will give you a 500 driver.
Okay, no problem.
Complete.
So Sandy?
50. This one 50, this one 20. 70,000 naira. 50, 20.
Complete?
It's complete.
You, my friend.
Of course.
You lucky man.
It is you who is lucky. It is you who is. You think it is easy to bring out 70,000 now?
When we come collect me balance.
Is it not 2 weeks we agreed? Why are you asking again?
Because I don't want me to come. I tell my money is not complete. No.
No, your money will be given to you. How can you open this cloth and show me it is grade A? So why would I do something bad to you?
Frenchman, you 2 weeks you come, money complete, no problem.
2 weeks.
Okay. Yes.
Enchanté.
Enchanté, okay, attention. You see, enchanté, if they greet you enchanté, then you say attention.
Attention.
Know me when I'm poor, but not when I am rich. You come and claim relationship. But not when I am rich. You come and claim relationship. Benji.
But Dennis, what is going on?
What is not going on?
What's going on here? I thought you said you were going to Lome.
Lome, I come. Lome, I go. Lome, I return. I told you when you were underrating me, I said don't underrate me. I used to have business acumen before now. It was because of that thing that happened to me, which was not my fault, which was unfortunate. am back again. Know me when I'm poor, but not. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bills of okrika.
10 bills. How come?
How not come? Do you know the cost price? 70,000 for 10 bills of okrika. Selling price 250,000. Gain 180 tower. Ha ha! Benji, I'm back again. Go and buy drink yourself to stupor. I will pay. Drink yourself silly. I am there.
10 bills for 70,000 naira.
Big business acumen.
But then it's how manage?
I'm a manager. Good managers manage very well. They manage their brain well. I manage my... Benji, I was good. You know, forget about what happened to me somewhere. God wanted to test me just like he tested Job. Job went to Nineveh. I have arrived. My own Nineveh has come. You see what I mean? Look, after this, more will come. It's not one now. But you feel happy. I don't want to do what you are frowning. Food. Forget about the food. Benji, the very first night I get this money, my bank account, and now open a good bank account, genuine. 5,000 for your meal, each meal. 1, 2, 3, 15,000 a day, you will bust. Know me when I'm poor, but not when I am rich. You come and claim relationship. Benji, lie down. Why I'm discounting that 10,000 from you is not because it's just because we are going to pay cash down. If not, you know you and I know the normal price of a bill. Yes. These are first grade. Okay, if first grade, not even this, but first Africa grade.
Dennis, let us see if they are actually first grade before we can go on.
Which means you don't trust me now.
No. Let's see first.
No, it's like
I said let us see first.
You're redempting Thomas. You don't trust what Dennis is telling you.
Let us see first.
Don't worry. You will see it now. Okay. How do I? We will see. No, don't worry. You think it's when I say something, I mean whatever. Which one do you want us to hear? This one. When I say something, somebody like me, don't I? Go and you see what you're going to do. Go and for Thanksgiving. You know when.
Nice clothes. Dennis, what is this?
What is that?
Dennis, what is this? What is this? What is this, Dennis?
Hey! Hey! I said it! I said 10 bills for 70,000 naira. I said these things were too cheap. Hey! Hey! My 70,000 gone. Ooh, what kind of life is this now? Eh? My 70,000 naira. Can you imagine? Eh? Can you imagine?
70,000. We're talking of 70,000. My life is gone. What of my life? See how I showered you. I showered you more than 200 kabadash.
Don't worry. When I come back, I'll do you better.
Gloria, are you set?
Yeah, sit up.
Bonjour.
Madam,
Oui. Me, you French.
is he alright?
Ivory Coast.
Dennis, what?
Is he alright?
Yeah, listen.
Who are you?
By their handheld, they shall be known. I see this.
Why are you that?
You want to for 70,000.
You want money? I give you money,
No
right?
money for what? Give me my 70,000.
I think you have a problem. Have a bottle of coke on me.
I'm not gonna cock on you. What do you mean? It's not up to 70. Take your money, give me my 70,000. Take your money, give me my 70,000. This man duped me.
Who duped you?
Why are you asking my
Me?
decision? I'm being then.
Have you seen me before?
You are even revealing yourself. Look at your nose. He was vibrating that day. He was vibrating.
Want him not insult me.
I know the sound of your nose everywhere.
Problem.
What is wrong with this man?
Don't talk to me. Oh. Look at
He
this.
lives in my
Look at the
compound.
hungry. Is this hungry man? Who is hungry? You. I'm not afraid of you.
What kind of man is
Give me
this?
my money. No. Mind yourself. Oh.
You know what you are? You're a nicopo.
Go and sit down. You are pink on noon.
No, you're a nicopo.
What are you? A pink on noon. Come and pass here. Come and pass.
What will you do?
My brother, you cannot pass here. Look at this. Check me.
Hillary! Hey, Hillary! Give me this.
Who there? Give me my money. Give me my money. Who has your money? Give me my money. You don't show me. I will give me my jacket. I will not here.